Often, during the course of your IT career, you'll encounter situations where you either need to view or refresh any current group policies applied to a computer at a domain or organisational unit level. This is where the Gpupdate and Gpresult commands come in. Gpupdate is covered here, whilst Gpresult is covered in the next lecture. The Gpupdate command, as its name suggests, downloads the latest version of all relevant group policies and applies them to a machine, whilst the Gpresult command outputs data concerning the policies currently applied to a machine. Gpupdate, by default, only applies settings that have been changed as opposed to all the settings within group policies. Most administrators tend to run Gpupdate/force as it's better for troubleshooting purposes, as all settings are applied as they are set on the server. There are a few options for Gpupdate which can be seen by running Gpupdate/?. Here you can see that we've got /target, which allows you to specify whether you want to refresh user or computer policies only. If you want to refresh both, simply don't specify this option, as this is the default behaviour for this command. We've got /force to reapply all policies, /wait specifies a timeout in seconds to wait for policies to refresh, for example if you have a slow network connection. The log off option logs your machine off automatically after the policy refresh if this is required. /boot restarts the machine automatically if the policy changes require this to happen. Finally, the /sync option should be run on its own. The syntax for this is Gpupdate/sync. This option requires administrative privileges and a reboot. If you run Gpupdate using /sync, it runs the policy refresh on all group policies at the same time, rather than one policy after another. Typical output for the Gpupdate/force command is as follows. For Gpupdate/sync, it's as follows. Now that we've covered the Gpupdate command, let's move on to the Gpresult command.